Hey, here's Enphase's IQ5P Flex Phase battery, and some things I love about it and some things I don't. The first thing I love is that this battery has an industry-leading warranty of 15 years that is unmatched by any other battery on the market. The next thing I love about this battery is that it is built off Enphase's famous microinverters. Inside this battery, you'll find 6 Enphase microinverters, which give this battery the ultimate power redundancy. Another pro that I love about this battery, it's one of the only batteries where you can mount one on top of each other without breaking any rules. So if you've got a home with limited space but the batteries need to be wall mounted, this could be your guy. Another thing I love is Enphase have always been incredible at building and developing microinverters, and their thoughts and vision on an end-to-end energy suite or platform for your home to be built on is second to none. So of course the Enphase car charger integrates into the battery, which integrates with your microinverters and all has industry-leading warranties. It is arguably one of the most premium products on the market. But here are some things that I don't quite like about the Enphase battery. I don't like the aesthetics of the battery. Even with the cover installed, I feel like the battery doesn't look that premium compared to the price tag that you will pay for the battery. Another thing I don't like is the gateway, or the IQ controller as they call it. This product is extremely large and it is plastic. Is it going to stand the test of time in the Australian sun? One of the last things that I don't love about this product is the size of the battery. It's only 5 kilowatt hours of storage, and most Australian homes need a minimum of 10 to make any impact on their power bills. This means that if you put two next to each other to achieve that 10 kilowatt hours of storage, you can take up some pretty valuable wall space, which we're learning isn't that common. I hope you've enjoyed my loves and do not loves about the Enphase IQ5P Flex Phase battery.